Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to extend the Wi-Fi range of Sony Burano camera with the help of a router, and you can control your Sony Burano camera on monitor and control app with this router, so you have a better control and you don't lose the connection of your camera. So let's just jump into it. First of all, I'm using this router. I will put the link in the description, and then to connect the camera with the router I'm using an Ethernet cable, and I plug it into my router. After that I put it in the Ethernet port of my camera, which is under the SDI ports. And once I'm done with that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the menu button, long press it and go to the full menus, and then I will go to the network setting. In here I will scroll down and click on network reset and execute it. Once it's done, it will ask me to turn off and turn on the camera, so I'm gonna just turn it off. Wait for the green LED to turn off, and then now I will turn it on again. Once I'm done with that, I will long press the menu button again, go to the full menus, and in here now in the network, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in setup and setup for mobile app and execute it. Will take 5 to 10 seconds, and once it's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back. And I will scroll down to LAN type select, and in there I will change it to wired LAN. Once it's done, I'm gonna go back, and in here you can see the wired LAN settings, so I will go there and I will go to the camera remote control and enable it. Now we are ready to control our camera through this router and have a better connection between our monitor and control app and the camera. So to do that, we are done with the settings on the camera. I will open my Wi-Fi, and in my Wi-Fi I will look for my router and I will put the password, Wi-Fi password of my router, which I put after I am done with connecting to my router's Wi-Fi, which is connected to the camera with a LAN cable. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the monitor and control app, open it, and once I open it, my camera should show there. Once it shows, I will click on connect, and it's gonna ask me for the authentication through a scan QR code. What I will do after that is I will go to my camera and I will go back to network setup. In here I'm gonna click on setup for mobile app, and this QR code is the one which I will need to scan. So I will click on scan on my iPad, and once I do that, you can see it have opened my camera controls here. Now, what settings of Sony Burano camera we can control in monitor and control app? I have already explained that in one of my previous videos, where I explained how you can connect your Sony Burano camera with your monitor and control app without any router. And in there I have explained everything which you can do in monitor and control app to change the settings of the camera. So in case you are interested in knowing what we can do in monitor and control app, you can click on this video and watch this. And I hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any more questions, just put them in comments and I will be more than happy to reply on those comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.